Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of salads. Now, I know what you're thinking. Salads? Bloody boring. But listen up, you donkey. We're not talking about some sad wilted lettuce and a watery tomato. We're talking about 10 salad recipes that are bursting with flavor, texture, and excitement. Get ready to elevate your salad game from pathetic to phenomenal. We're about to transform those leafy greens into culinary masterpieces that'll have you shouting for seconds. Let's get started. First up, we're taking a trip to the Mediterranean with a quinoa salad that's bursting with freshness. Imagine a bowl filled with vibrant colors and tantalizing aromas that transport you straight to a sun-soaked Mediterranean coast. We're talking juicy, ripe tomatoes bursting with sunshine. Each bite is like a little taste of summer, sweet and tangy, adding a beautiful red hue to our salad. Crisp cucumbers adding a refreshing crunch. Their cool, crisp texture perfectly balances the other flavors, making every bite a delightful experience. And Kalamata olives, their rich saltiness cutting through the vibrancy. These little gems add a depth of flavor that's simply irresistible. And the quinoa? Don't even get me started on the quinoa. It's the heart of this dish, a protein powerhouse that brings everything together. It's the protein powerhouse of this dish, cooked to fluffy perfection. Each grain is tender and light, absorbing all the flavors beautifully. We'll toss it all together with a bright lemon vinaigrette that's so good, you'll want to drink it straight from the bowl. This zesty dressing ties all the ingredients together with a tangy, citrusy punch. This isn't just a salad, it's a flavor explosion. Every forkful is a celebration of texture and taste, a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate. Next up, we're jetting off to Thailand, a land known for its vibrant culture and even more vibrant cuisine. Get ready for a taste of the exotic, where every bite tells a story. This is no ordinary salad, it's a symphony of sweet, spicy, and tangy notes that will blow your mind. Imagine a dish that dances on your taste buds, leaving you craving more. We're talking ripe, juicy mango, bursting with natural sweetness, its sweetness balanced by the fiery kick of chilies. These chilies add a bold punch that elevates the entire dish. And the crunch? We've got that covered with crisp bell peppers and crunchy peanuts. These elements add a delightful texture that makes every bite exciting. And to top it all off, a dressing that's the perfect balance of sweet, sour, and spicy. This dressing ties all the flavors together in a harmonious blend. This is how they do salads in Thailand, and mate, it's a game changer. Once you try it, you'll never look at salads the same way again. Now, for those of you who think salads are all about deprivation, think again. This kale and apple salad is packed with nutrients and flavor. We're talking hearty kale massaged with a tangy lemon dressing to tenderize those leaves. Sweet and juicy apples provide a delightful crunch, while toasted pecans add a rich, nutty flavor. And for a touch of decadence, we're crumbling in some creamy goat cheese. This salad proves that healthy can be delicious. Get ready for a feast for the eyes. This beet and goat cheese salad is a riot of color and flavor. We're talking vibrant beets roasted to perfection, their earthy sweetness shining through. Creamy goat cheese adds a tangy contrast, while crunchy walnuts provide a satisfying bite. And to bring it all together, a light and tangy vinaigrette. This salad is so stunning you'll almost feel bad eating it. Almost. Hold on to your hats, because this salad is not for the faint of heart. Our spicy peanut cucumber salad is a flavor bomb of epic proportions. We're talking cool, refreshing cucumbers coated in a fiery peanut sauce that will set your taste buds alight. A sprinkle of sesame seeds adds a nutty crunch, while a squeeze of lime juice brightens up the whole dish. This salad is proof that sometimes the simplest ingredients make the boldest flavors. Sometimes the classics are the best, and this caprese salad is a prime example. It's all about fresh, high-quality ingredients that speak for themselves. We're talking juicy, ripe tomatoes, their sweetness enhanced by the creamy mozzarella. Fresh basil leaves add a touch of peppery complexity, while a drizzle of olive oil and balsamic vinegar brings it all together. This salad is proof that sometimes less is more. Get ready for a textural adventure with our crunchy Asian slaw. This salad is all about contrasting textures, from the crisp cabbage and carrots to the crunchy ramen noodles. A sprinkle of sesame seeds adds even more crunch, while a tangy peanut dressing brings it all together. This salad is proof that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. Cool down on a hot day with our refreshing watermelon feta salad. This salad is the epitome of summer, with juicy watermelon, salty feta, and fresh mint leaves. A drizzle of olive oil and balsamic vinegar brings it all together. This salad is so refreshing it's practically a drink. Get ready for a flavor explosion with our avocado and black bean salad. This salad is a creative twist on a classic, with creamy avocado, hearty black beans, and sweet corn. A zesty lime dressing brings it all together. This salad is proof that you can be both creative and delicious. And for the grand finale, we're ending on a sweet note with our grilled peach and burrata salad. This salad is the perfect way to end a meal with juicy grilled peaches, creamy burrata, and a drizzle of honey. A sprinkle of chopped pistachios adds a touch of crunch. This salad is proof that salads can be dessert too. So there you have it, you lot. We've taken you on a culinary journey through the world of salads. 10 salad recipes that are anything but boring. Each one is a vibrant explosion of flavors and textures. From the Mediterranean to Thailand, we've traveled the globe to bring you the best salad recipes out there. Each recipe is inspired by the rich culinary traditions of its region, so ditch those sad desk salads and step up your game. No more bland, uninspiring lunches. It's time to make your meals exciting again. These salads are packed with flavor, texture, and excitement. Each bite is a new adventure for your taste buds. They're so good you might even forget you're eating healthy. Thanks for watching. We hope these recipes inspire you to get creative in the kitchen. If you enjoyed these salad recipes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious content. See you next time. And remember, keep your salad game strong.